Hey folks, my name is Simon, I'm a passionate software tester, and my next workshop is called Bigger, Better, Faster, More with JUnit5. Let's first have a quick look at a small tiny animal. A spider's web is built up with highest precision and is tremendously effective in catching bugs. So can also be our automation, our test automation framework in a project. Automated test can deliver us also a good safety net, but we have to be careful how we build up our test automation framework. Test automation is a very versatile area in software development in general. It's sometimes interesting to step back and have a look at some of its roots. In 1994, Kent Beck laid a very important cornerstone in test-driven development by implementing the first unit testing framework, kind of the mother of all unit testing frameworks, called SUnit for Smalltalk. In 1998, Ken Beck and Eric Gamma then started to implement the all-famous JUnit framework for Java. In 2017, JUnit was completely overhauled and was released as JUnit5, also called Jupyter. Now, JUnit5 actually is the new way of testing on the JVM these days. In my Power Workshop, we are going to have a look at JUnit5, at some of its new features. And additional to that, we're also going to have a look at approval tests and a framework, a tiny, small, nifty framework where you can implement given when then scenarios in plain Java in JUnit5. So in my workshop, you will learn first how to build up or how to start a JUnit5 project with Maven, how to implement and use some of the new cool features from JUnit5, how to use the approval testing library to get an exhaustive test coverage, and fourth, at the end, just for having a little bit more fun, you will learn how to implement given when then scenarios in plain Java in JUnit5. So I'm really looking forward to this workshop and hopefully you will be a part of it. Thank you. Bye-bye.